How to set up account alerts in Discover Bank online banking on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to stay on top of your account activity, well here is how to set up alerts in Discover Bank online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to click on your profile or settings or account services. And there you have to select alerts and notification to see the types of alerts you can set up and choose alerts like low balance, large purchases or payment due reminders, and there you can enter your preferred email or phone number to receive these alerts. And once you're done with it, you can just click save or submit to activate your alerts and you will start receiving notifications immediately. And that's it. That's how you can set up account alerts and discover bank online banking on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.